Prime Minister Modi hits the ground running. Just a day after he takes oath as the Prime Minister, the first order of business rolls out for Modi 3.0. Modi 3.0 government's big Kisan push. The first file that Prime Minister Modi has signed is the Kisan Welfare Scheme. Fully committed to farmers' welfare, says the Prime Minister. The Kisan scheme is likely to benefit nearly 9.3 crore farmers. First decision of the new government here showing commitment towards farmer welfare. The first file that the Prime Minister has chosen to sign and pass pertains to the Kisan Nidhi welfare scheme. The Prime Minister is saying that the government is fully committed to Kisan Kalyan. It's therefore fitting that the first file signed on taking charge as the Prime Minister is related to farmer welfare. We want to keep working more towards the farmers' welfare and agricultural sector in the times to come. Words of the Prime Minister as he elaborates that the farmer welfare scheme will benefit nearly 9 crore farmers, and the first order of business rolled out by Modi 3.0 is certainly the Kisan Nidhi farmer welfare scheme. We're looking at the Prime Minister saying and expressing his commitment towards farmer welfare, upliftment of the agricultural sector. Right after being sworn in as the Prime Minister for the third time, the Prime Minister has signed his first file authorizing the release of 17th installment of Prime Minister Kisan Nidhi. This will benefit, as I did mention, about 9.3 crore farmers that will distribute at least 20,000 crores as budget for the upliftment of the agricultural sector. After signing the file, the Prime Minister has said to an announcement that he's made about the government's commitment fully into Kisan welfare. Via the Kisan Kalyan welfare scheme, he says this is a fitting first file signed under my government as we are committed towards upliftment of the farming community and the agricultural sector. We want to keep moving towards farmer welfare and improve the agricultural sector in the times to come. Let me cut across to Aishwarya Paliwal joining us for more on that. Aishwarya, this comes in the heels, and I'm sure it's a statement made by the Prime Minister as soon as he assumes office. The first file he signs is the Kisan Kalyan welfare scheme, which is likely to benefit nearly 9 crore farmers. We saw the farmers' agitation in the last few years. It really went up to a point where in UP, the government was threatened. They rolled back on the farm laws, and while all of that is set aside, as soon as Modi comes back 3.0, the first file he signs is the farmers' Kisan Kalyan Nidhi scheme. Give us more if this is the impact of the farmers' protests that went by, the Prime Minister choosing the farmer welfare to be his first move towards upliftment. Give us more on the background and the thought process behind this.
Well, Nabila, it's not just the state of UP like you were speaking about. The states of Punjab and Haryana also felt the tremors of what was happening when the farmers were on the borders of the national capital. The ultimate decision was that the government rolled back the farm laws. But yes, now what we are seeing, and the crucial point in what Prime Minister has said, Nabila, is that we want to keep on working even more for the farmers, the agriculture sector in times to come. So this basically is a small trailer of what one can expect in the next 5 years. Prime Minister Narendra Modi completely understanding what has gone wrong with the elections, completely understanding that now the outreach has to be more people should get the benefit, and keeping all those things in mind, the first sector that he now is looking at is the farmer sector, and farmers are also very, very crucial for the state of Maharashtra. The state of Maharashtra, Nabila, let me tell you, will have elections in October or November this year. So keeping all those things in mind, this is a decision that has been taken. And not just that, from what we are understanding, MSP can also be one of the issues that will be discussed today. The first cabinet meeting, we will see a lot of welfare schemes being talked about, because the core idea is to make sure that there is a continuation of all the schemes that we saw over the past 10 years, and not just a continuation, more schemes coming in and roping in more people, because that's the need of the hour, according to the Bharatiya Janata Party. Nabila.
So, for what we see here, the budget that's been promised towards Kisan welfare is nearly whopping 20,000 crore rupees. Into what stream of the agricultural sector will this be pumped into? Any word on the Kisan Kalyan Nidhi scheme, welfare scheme altogether? Aishwarya, if you could break it down for us briefly. Just surface level information if we could have on how this will really benefit farmers. As per Prime Minister Modi in his own words, nearly 9 crore farmers will reap the benefit of this scheme as they are pumping in nearly 20,000 crores as part of its package.
Well, this is the 17th time that, money will be given under the PM Kisan Nidhi Yojana. This actually was something that the government came out with in 2014. So this has been continuing, and the idea is to make sure that the farmers get benefit from this. Monthly installments are being given to farmers, and aid has been given to them, Nabila, to make sure that, apart from this, the MSP also that is being given. So as a whole, as a package, the idea is to shield the farmers, because we have seen how over the past many years, the farmers have been saying that they need government help. So apart from MSP, this was also something that was started by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has been continuing for over the last 10 years, and now will continue over the next 5 years, because farmers, the Bharatiya Janata Party understands it's not just one state, but whatever happens, with farmers, the tremors can be felt till the national capital. So keeping all those things in mind, we are seeing, and this actually, is also giving us a glimpse into what the Prime Minister and the larger NDA at the moment is thinking, giving out schemes, making sure that they reach out to people, giving out financial aid will be the focus of the party, not just for the next 5 years. Prime Minister believes that the NDA coalition will continue for the next 10 years. So this will be the basis of the government over the next,
all right. So developed India is really the focus and goal of Modi 3.0. And the pitch is until 2047. This is a clear message that Prime Minister has given to his cabinet ministers, his party followers and the citizens of this country, that they aim to stay in power until 2047, because their focus is to ensure India becomes a developed country by then. So the first focus of Prime Minister Modi is the agricultural sector. We see the first file that's signed and cleared is the Kisan Kalyan Nidhi scheme.